Hello students, today the next topic of the chapter Human Health and Disease. In the previous session we have know about what is health and what are the requirements for the good health, and today we all of know disease. Disease. What is means of disease? डिसीज क्या है? हम डेली लाइफ में सुनते हैं कि ये बीमारी हो गई, ये बहुत भयानक बीमारी है, ये तो बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत आसान है. तो व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज द डिसीज? द डिसीज वर्ड इज मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स, डिस एंड ईज. This means disturbance, and ease means rest. So then the expanded form of disease is disturbance in rest. डिस्टर्ब में समझते ही है. व्हाट इज मीन्स ऑफ डिस्टर्ब? एंड रेस्ट मीन्स रेस्ट में आपके डिस्टर्ब आ जाना, नोन एज डिसीज. इन अदर वर्ड्स इट इज डिफाइंड एज द uncomfortable state of the body is known as disease. It is the uncomfortable state of the body known as disease. Acute disease. The disease which lasts for very short period of time, and known as acute disease. ऐसी डिसीज जो हमारे बॉडी में तो होती है लेकिन बहुत ही शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम्स के लिए होती है, for 4 days, 1 week or 10 days. 1 week or 10 days. This is known as the acute disease. Example: common cold, flu, and some other fevers. These are the examples of acute disease. Chronic disease. The disease which are last for long time. ऐसी डिसीज जो हमारी बॉडी में बहुत लंबे समय तक होती है, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years और लाइफ टाइम, पूरी लाइफ टाइम तक रहती है, उसे हम कहते हैं क्रोनिक डिसीज. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ क्रोनिक डिसीज इज द हार्ट डिसीज, डायबिटीज, various disease. The examples of chronic disease. So you all will know the differences between acute disease and chronic disease. The disease which are last for very short period of time known as acute disease, and the disease which are last for long time is known as chronic disease. Okay. Next, type of disease. There are two types. Number one, infectious disease. Infectious, and second is non-infectious. First, infectious, the disease which are caused by certain pathogens and can transmit from infected person to the healthy person is known as infectious disease. Example, cholera, hepatitis, tuberculosis, various examples of infectious diseases. Non-infectious, the disease which are caused by abnormalities in the body organs and cannot transmit from one person to another person is known as non-infectious disease. Example, heart disease, diabetes, heart disease हो गया, diabetes हो गया, and elephantitis, various examples of the non-infectious diseases. So today we all have know about the what is disease, डिसीज क्या है, ठीक, एक्यूट डिसीज, क्रोनिक डिसीज, इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज, नॉन इन्फेक्शियस डिसीज, पैथोजन एक वर्ड है. व्हाट इज पैथोजन? द डिसीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज नोन एज पैथोजन. ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म जिससे डिसीज होती है, जिसके कारण हमारे बॉडी में डिसीज हुई, वो क्या कहलाएगा? पैथोजन. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सम पैथोजन इज द बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, प्रोटोजोवंस, various species of bacteria, various species of protozoans, viruses are the pathogen. Vector or carrier, vectors, the organism or animals which carry pathogens is known as vector or carrier. ऐसे एनिमल्स, ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म जो पैथोजेंस को, डिसीज कॉजिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को एक ऑर्गेनिज्म से दूसरे ऑर्गेनिज्म में ट्रांसफर करते हो, कैरी करते हो, ले जाने का काम करते हो, वो क्या कहलाएंगे? वेक्टर और कैरियर. ओके, तो टुडे द टॉपिक इज क्लोज्ड and various questions are forms. What is disease? What is acute disease? Give example. What is chronic disease? Give examples. What is the differences between infectious and non-infectious diseases? ठीक? What is pathogens? What is vector? These are the various questions which are formed from this to these topics. Okay.